This program is to read a student mark in a test and print his class, either class 1, class 2 or class 3 or failed. The rules are given in the table. The marks are greater than or equal to 60, class 1. Marks are between 50 to 60, class 2. The marks are between 35 to 50, class 3. Otherwise failed. In this program we have included as usual stdio.h. Then we have declared a variable m. The printf statement asks the user to enter the mark of a student, and the scanf statement reads the marks whatever user enters into this variable m. This statement, conditional if statement, is used to print whether the candidate is failed or class 1, class 2 or class 3. The marks are less than 35, he will be printed as failed. Otherwise, the results class 1 or class 2 or class 3 are printed using the above expression. Now let us analyze the program. Let us assume that our user mark is 70. Then what is the value of the expression? For minus m greater than or equal to 60, minus m greater than or equal to 50, minus m greater than or equal to 50, 35. So you will get all the expression value becomes 1. Thus we will get results class 1. Now this time let us assume that mark is 55. That is user mark is 45. That is user is entered 55. Then what is the value of expression? 4 minus m greater than or equal to 50, etc. M, that is 55, is greater than or equal to 60? No. Thus its value will be 0. M greater than or equal to 50? Yes, its value will be 1. M greater than or equal to 35? Yes, its value will be 1. Thus the total, that expression value becomes 2. Thus that printf statement will print as class 2. Now let us consider user has entered 40. Now what is the value of expression? M greater than or equal to 60? No, 0. M greater than or equal to 50? No, 0. M greater than or equal to 35? Yes, 1. Then what is the value of the bracket expression? That is 3. Thus we will get class 3 as a result on the screen. Now let us consider user has entered 20 as a marks. 20, is it less than 35? Yes. The conditional statement is true. Thus we will get a message failed.